subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of last year launched Redmi 9 smartphone as Redmi 10, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and specifications has accidentally surfaced on Singapore's e-commerce site Codes. According to leaks, the Redmi 10 will support a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate support. The screen on the top will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and it has a hole punch at the top center that will house an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will support a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The rear cameras of the phone will include one 50-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Redmi 10 will come powered by MediaTek Helio G88 processor paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone will pack with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support. The device will come backed by 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it will likely run on Android 11 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone will include dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 162 by 75.3 by 8.95mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi 10 was listed to be priced at $249 in Singapore dollars, and it will be available in sea blue, pebble white and carbon grey color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi 10 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.